What's up, guys? Buadev is here. Welcome to Basketball Shooter Series episode number 4. And today we will improve our shooting mechanics. And before we begin, if you like my content, want to see more, please like this one and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. And you will start playing right now. You will see that our shooting mechanic is pretty mad because we can basically take this ball where we want, and that's not what we want. We want only this kind of movement. Basically, we should drag at some point, at some distance, and then release, and our ball will launch. So basically, we need to limit our movement. And first thing that we can do is limit any movement on the left side, because we only need to drag our ball on the right side. So let's open our script, our ball control script, and let's start working. In on mouse drag, where we are doing our dragging movement, if you remember, we did this transfer.position to make our ball's position to be equal to mouse position, to make our ball follow our mouse. But we don't need this method anymore, because instead we're gonna use vector 2s, because it will be easier. So let's delete this, and we can create new vector 2. So vector 2, and let's call it desired position, and it will be equal to mouse position. And this time this method will work. Before we had vector 3, and if you remember, vector 3 takes x, y, and z, and we have problems with the z axis. But since now we have vector 2, everything will work. So this way we are storing information about our mouse in the desired position in our vector 2. And after it, we can say our logic that if our desired position dot x is less than start position dot x, it means that we are trying to drag our mouse on the left side, and we should limit that. And we can do it by saying desired position dot x equals to start position dot x. This way our mouse will not simply go on the left side. And after it, we can say that our position, so our rb dot position equals to desired position. And that's all that we need to limit our movement on the left side. And let's save this script and let's see if everything working. So let it compile. Let's go back in Unity, and if we start playing right now, you will see that we are only able to move on the right side, but when I'm trying to go on the left side, as you see, we have limit to our start position, and we can move beyond that. So that's fine. But now we have second challenge, and we should limit our movement on the left or on the right side too. So let's open our script, and first we will need new float. So here we can say public floats, and let's call it something like max drag, and it will be distance or our max dragging distance. And we can use it after our desired position equals our mouse position. We can go here and create new float. So let's say here float distance, let's call it distance, is equal to vector 2 dot distance. And this vector 2 dot distance calculates distance between 2 points, and these 2 points are, for in our case, desired position and start position. And we will calculate information about distance between those 2 points. And after it, we can say that if our distance is greater than our max drag, we should limit it if we are trying to go beyond our max drag. And to do it, we can say that direction equals to desired position minus start position. And we did pretty same thing when we did here on the mouse up. when we calculate distance between the direction between start position and current position, but this time we are calculating it between desired position and start position. After it, we should again normalize this. So direction dot normalize with a capital N. Don't forget parentheses and semicolon. And after it, only thing that is left to make our desired position equal start position plus, and in parentheses we can say that we want our direction times max drag to make our limit to be attached to our max drag, and we can save this simple script. And this is nothing complicated. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments down below. And let's save this script. Let's go back in Unity, and now if we select our ball and scroll down, you will see that we have our max drag, which is set on the 0 right now. But if we make this, for example, on the 3 and start playing, obviously we can change this max drag to point where we like, but basically, as you see, we have this max drag of 3 units, and we can't simply go beyond that. And I think 3 is not enough for our game, at least right now. But we can make this max drag 4, for example, and let's test it out. Yeah, it looks better. We can make this number bigger or smaller. Just make sure that you change this number not on the play mode, because things won't be saved when you are in the play mode. So let's stop playing and let's change it to 4. You can basically make this number 5 or 6, and we might change it in the later stages when we do other things, but right now everything seems to work fine. And this is for this video, and thanks for watching. See you soon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell not to miss any new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.